Many people they ask me this question. Many people they say, "Ha, Joy, wetin dey happen? Whether you don't marry, why you be say you get belle? You can't dey talk am on social media say Flavor give you belle this that." Come on, Now wow. So wetin all these things where they shoot for Nollywood movies? If somebody come cut some kind clips, come post for him Facebook page. So you mean say some of your fans will call it say get belle, or maybe say it's not real. All those things, man, tell her the truth. All those things na film. Now inside film now from cut all those things where they post. Yeah, that means inside the confirmed actress. Maybe they act with all these top celebrities. That means anyone with me in particular do will look real. That's what I'm trying to tell you, because I never imagine say I just post that pregnancy video. Say when they cry, say Flavor give you belly. Now many of my followers they call me, Joy, wetin happen? Joy, what happened? How it take happen? Nah, true? Is it true? But Joy, how come? I have to start explaining myself. So no be true. Now movie, now inside movie now from cut am out. Hey, now they come they say, hey, my mind don't come down. I say, now I come they talk say, chai, make I just do this small video, make I just post and tell on and say, I beg anything you wanna see for my page. I beg na acting. Or let's say na the news. Oh, why they talk for my YouTube channel. When I know my YouTube channel now, IKEJOY TV, that one a news I know say that one a Nigerian news where they carry. But anything you wanna see, say nah, I be like acting where I post for my Facebook page. My people, nah acting no. Joy no get any belle. See me na me be this, na me be this. Today's date is what save? I think today's date is 27th of March 2024. So this is me. This is where I am. No big tummy, I better go inside. I get flat tummy. Though I know they too slim, at least I dey. Yeah, many people they talk say, Joy, wetin happen? Why you know marry? I tell you say na marriage na be my problem. I tell you say na marriage. I never see person go marry me. I tell you say na marriage be my problem. Go your house, eat your food, sleep, wake up, leave Joy matter alone. Okay? We still dey work. When we work finish, don't worry. I saw it be. Don't be marriage be my problem. I am still a single girl. I beg, allow me make I enjoy my single girl, my single life for now until I know say if I enter marriage now, no more single life. Thank you. That means to be your girl, Joy. IKEJOY. Fine girl, small fine girl. Okay guys, please visit my YouTube channel, IKEJOY TV. My YouTube channel, IKEJOY TV. Subscribe, so that you'll be getting latest news from me. See you in the next video. Bye. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you. God bless you. See you on another video. First, my name is Joy. I am your friend. Don't always forget my name. If you are new in this place, you are welcome. So please click down the red button to subscribe, okay? And don't forget to drop down a good comment. And don't forget to share. I am your friend again. See you in the next video. Bye. Hello, today is another beautiful day which I know you have. First of all, my name is IKEJOY. I brought down a beautiful thing which I know you will love to watch. What is happening in Nigeria today? But don't worry, just relax. Don't forget to drop down a good comment. And if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking down the red button. Now let's get down to the video. Senator Ifeanyi Ubah has joined the growing number after the lawmakers he joined the challenge to help the palliative in the state. People describe it as a massive project and a demonstration of life-changing employment program. Delivering in speech, Governor of Imo State will follow the strong economic policy introduced by the federal government. They also said that Nigerians should shower the great support for people around them.
To see how they can cushion the effect of this policy.
Not everybody is the one that you come in here. It's the one that you come and see a large crowd of people. But this rally is a mega rally. Yes. And it's a rally of empowerment.
In fact, what drove him into politics was even this desire to have the platform to touch as many people as possible, you understand, and to put smiles on the faces of people, you know, by helping our people.
Members of the APC National Working Committee challenged public office holders to take a cue from Senator Ifeanyi Ubah's empowerment gesture.
Every time everybody is shouting about Bola Tinubu, the president is not going to be the only one that can solve this problem. The governors across the 36 states, the 109 senators, like Ifeanyi Ubah is doing, must rise to the occasion and continually do more at this season to be able to alleviate the impact of what is going on right now, the policies that have been introduced to ensure that Nigeria is on the path of economic strength.
And so I call on each and every leader, not just the senators, House of Representatives, councillors, local government chairmen, governors, and every leader in the society to.
Okay, my people, I know I don't watch the video of this Ifeanyi Ubah waiting they do for the community. That is good. You can call my number for any adverts. Okay.